Enjoy the warm sunshine in your Jeep Gladiator without having to take off the roof with the new Element Skyview from Putco. Now you can enjoy that coveted top-off feeling year-round without the weather worries of cold, wind, or wet. This clear view top gives you all the summer feelings in the dead of winter. This is an OEM direct replacement roof, and it's truly impressive. Starting with the premium polycarbonate material, this best-in-class tent not only offers clear and vibrant views, but also complete UV protection. It's rated to withstand temperatures as high as 150 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as -200 degrees, all while maintaining its fade-resistant finish. But what about the elements and wind noise, you ask? Well, for starters, the polycarbonate is strong enough to withstand hurricane-like wind speeds, and we already know that the precision manufacturing from Putco ensures a perfect fit time after time. Adding to that the quality pre-attached foam and clamps, adding a compressed tight fit, and you get a weather-resistant fit that's completely insulated, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, giving you more seasonal enjoyment for your Jeep Gladiator. If you're interested in purchasing the Element Skyview from Putco or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.